Steward nga siya eh.
Parang kain.
Ambassador.
Ang dami mong pasasalit sa pinte.
Or spider. Spider web.
I have also a gimbal, but it's designed for my iPhone. Homemade. Ah, yeah, homemade.
Oo. Sa loob na yun. Pagbabago, may pagbabago. Kasama na sa atin.
But this one, did he ask your ticket, Bob? No. This kanina, they asked, right? Did he ask your ticket? Automatic, malakas.
Sino na bahala doon? Oo, ipapakita ko.
Hindi. I'm here with my friends. My first.
Ah, sila?
Ako naman ganda mo.
Ito binibidyo ko sa kanya.
Coffee daw.
Eh magto 12:30 na. 12:30 ang pasok natin, di ba?
Ako na makuha ko ng tangga. Ako kuha kami na kami. Dili mo na tao. Camera ko.
There's a food there, kahit 20 minutes ang survey.
$12:30 pasok natin.
Yung bago. Yung ito lang mga.
Mahal bago talaga.
Baka hindi na ako sinabi.
Ano ba yung tagal-tagal?
Kasama yan sa ano. Awali man, hindi ka mapasok.
It's the way Harry Potter used to sleep under the stairs.
Oo.
Oo, ganyan lagi ang bola. Yan ang kwarto niya, lagi ng bola. Pwede ka na ba dyan?
Panoorin nga natin ang mayan bit pa.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, 7 and all. 8 and 8. It all ends. Walo yan, walo.
Wala pala yan.
Bago lang siya.
Sino ba naman yung sampo? Sino ba naman?
Pasok na tayo.
Kwento lang
may
nakatayo.
buffet. Ay, sabi ko.
Kala ko hanggang dito lang uwi na ako.
Kwento lang.
If you're right into the room, you get to see all the three screens around you. There, at one point.
Nag-train kami, di ba dito sa Makati?
Moments about the Harry Potter films is the bit where Harry gets to ride that beak off in the lesson. It's sort of like a break in the films where he just gets a chance to just be a kid again, which is what everyone really wants to do, really.
My favourite Harry Potter prop has got to be the Deluminator that Dumbledore leaves Ron. I just think it's awesome. Like the effect that they have when the little ball of light comes out the top, I just think that's wicked. It looks amazing on screen.
My favourite animal is the big spider.
My favourite creature in the Harry Potter films would be the basilisk. I'm a big fan of snakes and a giant one, that scares me.
My mum made me this sweater in the style of the Weasleys making Harry his first Christmas present, and it took a really long time to make.
I think everyone has to love the House of Gryffindor, really. That's where Harry is firstly. Hermione and everyone
I could not be more thrilled about everything you're about to experience on your tour ahead. In just a few moments, going to walk through these doors into our very own Studio Tour cinema. My fellow interactors are dressed like me and are on hand in the cinema and throughout your tour to ensure you have the best possible experience. And in fact, here are some of them now to give you some tips on your tour ahead.
On behalf of the entire team, we'd like to welcome you to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London and share a few tips to ensure the best possible experience for everyone. First, please take this moment to switch your mobiles to silent before entering the cinema.
Yeah, that's right. I'm back at Leavesden. I love it here.
Come on. She just said to silence your phone.
I thought that was just in the cinema room.
Actually, we asked you to silence your mobiles in this room as well.
Oh, sorry. I've got to go.
Everyone, please allow me to introduce James and Oliver Phelps.
Yeah, he's not James. I am.
Honestly, Evie.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Happens all the time. Hi, everybody. I'm James Phelps.
Wait, you just said...
And I'm Oliver Phelps. And we're here to give you the real tips for the tour.
What do you mean?
Well, what you see today are the real sets, the real props, the real costumes, and the real actors used in the filming.
There are no real actors in the tour, but yes, everything else is real. So please, remain behind the barriers and please don't touch anything.
While the characters we played weren't necessarily keen on the rules, like you, we're also fans of the Harry Potter films. And we hope you'll help us to preserve the amazing connection that brought these films to life.
Please, don't touch that.
James, we just said not to touch anything.
I thought I saw some butterbeer in there.
Ooh, butterbeer.
Food and drinks are available for purchase about halfway through the tour, which brings up another point. The tour is larger than some people think.
Yes. Look how big this map is. Where's the burrow?
There are 2 sound stages, J and K, which could take upwards of 3 hours to explore. Roughly halfway through the tour is the Backlot Cafe, and it's a great spot for a break.
But be prepared. You never know when it's going to rain.
Or you could just use our covered walkway. The Backlot Cafe also offers a wide range of food and beverages.
Like butterbeer.
One last thing. Please refrain from taking photos in the cinema and the green screen Broomstick Interactive.
But please, take as many photos as you like everywhere else on the tour.
And remember to share them with us using the handle #WBTourLondon.
And now I'd like to share with you how a magical story took over the world.
Ooh, look. Magic.
I love to read, and when I moved back to London in 1996, I decided to make books a central part of what I did. I had 3 shelves in my office. I had priority, medium priority.
To all you Harry Potter fans, the tour ahead was really created for you. On behalf of everyone who worked on the films, thank you. We hope you have as much fun on this tour as we did making the movies. Please enjoy.
Please make your way through the doors. Have a magical day.
So we were at any row and all the way down, right down to the last available seat in each row for me. So please don't stop in the middle, please don't stop halfway through, go all the way down to the last available seat, just to make sure we can have all family and friends sit together. Just a quick reminder, there are no photos or videos to be taken in this room or the last room, so if you guys at the back can turn your phones and cameras off. Sorry guys at the back, can I repeat, there are no photos or videos to be taken, so if you can.
All purposes. And everything here is now ready for filming, just like it was during production. So take your cameras out and take as many photos as you would like. I'll give you just a moment to explore and we'll meet shortly just by the fireplace. Now, I know you've been here just for a matter of moments, but I am sure that you couldn't help but notice all the details that you never saw on screen. One quite major detail is